Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. For the returning subscribers, nasema ni asante sana. Thank you very much. I don't take your support for granted. And for the new subscribers, karibuni sana. Hapa ndiko nyumbani. And today, guys, we're going to cook a beef wet fry without spices. And now, without wasting any minutes, let's go and cook together. We start by boiling our meat. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. We have a hoho, the normal onion, tomatoes, and coriander, just 4 of them. After the meat has boiled and drained all the water, now we add our onions. We mix or stir up well so that the onions are uniformly spread. After that, again we add cooking oil. And in this case, I use the normal cooking oil, golden fry. Then after adding the cooking oil, mix the contents so that the oil is uniformly spread in the contents. Here I'm allowing the onions to wilter so that they can turn to golden brown. So I'm mixing them up well so that they can mix with the cooking oil so that they can be fried. And all my onions are fried. And they're turning slowly by slowly to the brown color. And finally, here's the result. As you can see, all the onions have become golden brown. And now again we add the tomatoes. As you can see, then I will stir up to mix the contents uniformly. And this is the final result, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that beef. Turned out so well. Immediately I started cooking my ugali safi hapo. Mbio.
Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hamburger, hot dog, and fries. This is junk food. Fatty burgers, salty fries. We do not eat junk food. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy.
And my meal is ready, guys. I served my wet beef fry with ugali, some sukuma wiki, and avocado.
Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Continue subscribing and support me. Until next time, people, goodbye.
Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hamburger, hot dog, and fries. This is junk food. Fatty burgers, salty fries. We do not eat junk food. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time.